nauna po yung kwento.
Okay.
So, we make sure muna na buo yung kwento bago namin i-offer sa cast.
Okay.
For Butchigay, nagkaroon kami ng casting call.
Okay.
Napakaraming nag-audition and she ultimately performed really well and kinuha niya yung attention at puso namin. So we got Ryrie.
Direct, what were the requirements o yung hinahanap nyo sa lead role ni Butchigay?
Ideally, gusto talaga namin may laking Koreano at marunong makapagsalita.
Meron siya.
Koreano ka ba, Pilipino? Pilipino po siya. Hindi po siya marunong mag-Koreano, pero para sa pelikulang ito, natuto po siyang mag-Koreano.
Oh!
Yes.
Nag-aral siya.
Yes, for 3 weeks. And when we shot in Korea, at trivia lang, yung mga tao doon, they thought that she's pure Korean because she speaks really great Korean.
Wow! Okay, Ryrie, anong pakiramdam when you got the role ng Butchigay? Ano na? Wow! Pero mahirap ba yun na natuto kang mag-Korean in 3 weeks? Dali lang. So you can converse with ano? Yun. Okay. A requirement din talaga kasi ang role niya makakasama madalas si Jisoo.
At saka dahil galing po siya Korea, kailangan niya talaga nagkukuryano siya.
Okay. Si Sunny naman, Alexa, ikaw, kailangan ba? Required ka din o hindi naman?
Hindi naman po, thank the Lord.
Thankfully, hindi kami hindi ka required.
Hindi naman.
But were you invited to play the role of Sunny? Were you handpicked to do this?
Was I direct? I think si Direk po ang nakakasagot talaga niya.
Hindi. Pinili talaga namin si Alexa. Hindi po siya nagkaroon ng audition or to anyone. It was really for Alexa.
For Jisoo naman.
Si Miss Madonna ang makakasagot.
Ayan, Miss Mado, para si Jisoo, para napili.
No, kasi we were really looking for a Korean actor. And we needed to shoot soon, no? So, nagtutulong po kasi ako sa field ng film management. Yung aking co-teacher, si Wanggo Galyata.
Oh yes, of course.
Told me, oh, you're looking for a Korean actor. You know there's a Korean actor who's here. Sabi ko, ha? Sino? Tapos sabi niya, ito. Pinakita niya sa akin. Sabi ko, ay, familiar ko. I wonder who's the manager. Because kailangan. So, I researched and then I spoke to SB Town, si Tatang, Robin, and then si Gatlingo of Universal. So, yun. And then we pitched it to Jisoo and he liked it and he had a lot of suggestions actually. Kasi syempre, you know, we needed resource people also for the story and he gave it a really good perspective. So, yung role niya na-envision namin even grew further when we started talking to him.
Wow.
So, yun. Napaka-importante ng role niya dito sa pelikula.
And what's Jesus' reaction when he got the offer to portray Jisung? What was your reaction when you were offered the role?
It was really honored to film here. I mean, actually, in this case, it's hard to do film. You know, it's hard to find the film, and especially this genre, like family drama. You know, when you go to cinema, there's always like comedy, like action, but it's hard to watch it, family drama. So I thought it's like very unique movie, and also it's like the story of like with Korean guy, and I also watched it about documentary about Kopino. So I was actually, it was kind of negative way. So I want to show them it could be a positive way, even it's like Korean Filipino. So I want to show them as a Korean, like, good way.
Right.
So I'm trying to do my best here.
Did you have to learn Filipino?
Yeah, I love just few words.
Okay.
Like, in the movie, like, Masatoko.
Okay.
And like, you know, just few words. Like,
Well, were you lucky that the little kid, the child actress, knows how to speak Korean?
yeah, she is genius. She learned really fast. So
Can we hear you talk in Korean right now?
안녕하세요.
Talk to Jisoo, talk to Jisoo.
Yeah, I mean, you know, she's intonation is really like Korean accent.
Wow. O, ikaw naman, Rufa May. Doon na inaabangan na.
Papaturo nga ako ng
Opo.
anyo sa'yo. Yung parang yun, ito umabot sa ano, sa 5-5, ano? Whitey. Ano yun? Go. Whitey.
O, pero ang role dito, kapitana ka.
Oo. Kapitana po ako. Surprise ang role ko dito. Nabi niyo ako sa movie. Basta ako yung rainbow.
Wow. Kasi Pichi, parang ang tagal na rin namin.
Hindi ako nagdadrama kasi sila kaya rainbow na.
Ah.
Kaya nakikita sa rin ng
Rainbow. Pero ang tagal na namin kasi ikaw din hindi nakikita sa movie.
Correct. Kaya nga, so ngayon nakikita na nila. Rainbow na. Nakapitana.
Nakapitana. Si Rufa May,
Kasi
acting
heavy
siya.
drama to eh.
Heavy drama. Ikaw yung comic relief, parang ganon.
Sana.
Ah.
Depende sa kanila baka mamaya tayo lang natutuwa eh.
Correct.
Si Mama Donna. Pero definitely natutuwa ako na makita ko kayong lahat. Parang ngayon lang ako ulit nakapag-press ko di ba kita Aster? Ever. So, nagkaroon sa media ko. Parang ngayon, di ba matagal tayo hindi nagkita-kita?
Yes.
So parang nakakatuwa. You know that? It's very fun. With my fans.
Naku, gusto mo mapunta ko ano? Sagot ni
Hindi
Rufa May.
cameo role kasi ako dito, kaya sinasabi ko na agad
Oo.
na maganda yung role pero minsan lang ako maglalabas.
Wow! Kaya kailangan
So,
mo.
lalabas na ako ito yung rainbow lang. Lalabas ako sa surprise.
Huwag naman sa pinakadulo. Okay.
Nasa dulo ba? Hindi naman.
Simulan
First and last.
Simulan na natin yung Q&A, Rufa May, baka kasapan tayo ng sigla. May mga questions tayo dito na sinabit na ng ating mga kasamahan sa press, but we'll also give opportunity later kung sino gusto magtanong right here sa ating press con. Let's start